Hey YouTube, um, welcome to my channel. I just wanted to share something with you today. I'm sorry for the wibbly camera. It was my mother's birthday today, but that's not what I wanted to share. Um, this is just the beginning of the middle of the night. Yeah, well, sort of. Anyway, I'm doing these projects, and my nephew, who's 4.5, asked me to make him something. So I designed it myself, and then I used metal tape instead of tin can because he's only 4.5 and I don't want him to cut himself, so I'm using metal tape instead. So I've drawn a pattern out using a pen, and then I've gone around with a pencil also, and I'm just working on cheap card. So the back was similar to this, freehand, and then I cut up 5 pieces of card, and I wrapped in the metal duct tape without using PVA glue, which I normally do. And can you see I etched it in there into the metal duct tape first? I'll show you the design. And then I wrapped it round the 5 pieces of card. So that is the bat. It's freehand. To get the grooves, I used my soft pencil on this soft piece of card, just like that, rubbing, making indentations. So it's a bizarre bat, but it's still a bat. And then those I've just punched out now for the elastic cord to go through with this. This is £5.50 from Amazon. And I'm going to put the elastic cord through tomorrow, but I covered the whole thing in metal tape. And then on the back I've just done with the soft pencil like a metal forge look, like nails have been punched into the metal all the way around, just using the soft pencil. You have to have a soft surface underneath, not hard. Where am I about that? Sorry for the glare. I could etch his name on the back if I wanted, but I don't want to spoil the bat design. He's really into bats and I absolutely hate them. So there we go. I might give it a face or not, I don't know yet. It's my own design freehand because I don't have a stamp or a punch or anything like that, or a die. So it's just imagination. I hope he likes it. I just wanted to share this for my YouTube channel and for everyone who likes to watch me art and craft. My arts and crafts anyway. And sorry for rambling on as I always do, but also what I learned today from a different lady is I'm learning how to make things using recycled tin cans, like Coca-Cola cans and other cans. So I made this today, but I had no backing, and then I was watching YouTube, and this lady, she, strong self-adhesive foam sheets, she mounted it onto there. So that's what I've done with this one, and I can cut shapes into it after if I need this. And those are just my horses from before that I showed you. So, and also my lovely work from next door was on thin kitchen foil, and I didn't have a way of displaying my beautiful design of the alcohol inks on kitchen foil scrunched up, etc. So I mounted that onto foam as well, foams from Amazon. I don't remember the price. It's very sticky, self-adhesive. I make stamps with them, stickers with them, and now I've got this. And my niece did love her thing that I gave her earlier. So I just wanted to share my 3 things for my video, my channel. Freehand work, cheap card, metal duct tape. No, not duct tape. Metal tape, sorry. This is metal tape, not duct tape. It's aluminium tape. Oh. Then, you know, you can, the possibilities are endless. As they say, if you can draw, you know. And if you can't draw, people say you can get images from Google Images, print them off, and etch them into your metal duct tape. Use a soft pencil to go around the design really slowly. Then you can learn to draw that way as well. So thumbs up please, subscribe to my channel. Hello to my new subscribers, welcome to my channel. And stick around, you'll learn something hopefully. And enjoy yourself and have fun. Anyway, good night. See you, bye.